Well, hello there, everyone. It is beautiful, beautiful Colorado. We're at North Cheyenne Mountain. One of these fantastic roads. There's like carved out tunnels and stuff. Don't want to step too far. We'll fall down the mountain here. We're here doing Colorado payroll tax withholding. Nice to get some fresh air. It's actually a pretty nice day, even though there's some snowpack. Overlooking Colorado Springs, so absolutely a great day. So let's get down to it and let's talk about some Colorado payroll withholding. So let's get down to business and talk about Colorado tax withholding for 2022. There is a new form this year, DRO4, I believe it's called. It's going to ask you about the number of jobs that you have. It's not going to ask you about your filing status. They only care about whatever filing status you filed on your W-4. But they're going to ask you how many jobs. And the reason why they're going to ask you how many jobs is because the standard deduction is based off of how many jobs you have. There's a table here with the Colorado number of jobs, and based on your filing status, what the standard deduction would be. And we have a calculation here in the pay period record sheet to do that. And so basically, that's how it works. Is it's going to calculate that, and then it's going to take 4.55% of anything that is remaining to be taxable. I'm just doing a little editing here to add to this file because we need to update this. And so it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. And as soon as you start entering in information for your employee there in the employee info sheet, you're going to end up generating a pay stub. And it's going to properly calculate the Colorado withholding. And if you were to change the number of jobs, the deduction would change and the withholding would change. So you can see that instead of 68, it's now 78 if you have 2 jobs, because the deduction is a little bit less because you'll be making more income on the second job. So Colorado, beautiful state, one of my favorite states, certainly in between the Mississippi and the Pacific Ocean, or the Mississippi and the Rio Grande, is one of my favorite states. Gotta love Colorado. So that only that slight change to the way that the standard deduction is calculated this year. Otherwise, it's still the straight 4.55%, I believe it is. All right, so good luck, everyone. Payroll should be easy. We're making it so.